Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to this one. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of s to the power of 3, you have 3s squared. This one is about the constant, so you got about 0 in here. Because we don't have number 3 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 3. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 1, so we put number 1 gone here. 1 to the power of 3 plus 1, so we have number 2. When s equals to number 2, so I will put number 2 gone here. 2 to the power of 3, you have number 8. 8 plus 1, you got about number 9. So u equals to number 9. Number 1 we change by number 2, and number 2 we change by number 9. This one we change by u. S squared ds we change by this one. So the integration of this one, we have negative 1 over u, and we put the bounds from number 2 to number 9. And now we have the final answer. And this one we calculate. And we have 7 over 54. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.